In this video I will show you quick CryptoTab payment proof, and then I will show you a couple of tricks that you can use to increase your earning. This Filipino person here, you can see he earned more than around $1,300 from CryptoTab. He started using a couple of tricks of this CryptoTab, but first I will show you this payment proof. So we simply click here withdraw BTC. Okay, then we click here, okay, get it, and then we cash out the maximum amount that we have currently. That is not a lot because we have just some time ago cashed out, as you saw in my previous video on CryptoTab Payment Proof. I've sent us this withdrawal confirmation, and we simply need to click this button right here. They say withdrawal confirmed. We will make the payment of Bitcoin soon. It usually takes within 1 business day. In my personal opinion, it has usually been much faster, but they probably want to say this so that people will not start immediately contacting if it doesn't come in a few seconds. So that's usually pretty fast. So that's how easy it is to withdraw money from CryptoTab. That was just like less than 1 minute, and I already cashed out money from CryptoTab. In a moment I will show you a couple of CryptoTab tricks that you can use to increase your earnings. They have also been on this video where this Filipino person earned around $1,300 from CryptoTab by mining it, but he has obviously used it more than that. And by the way, if he has kept all these cryptocurrencies, the price of that has gone up, and as you can see here, he had earned around 0.1 Bitcoin, and if we put that to BTC to USD at the moment, that was 0.19. That is more than $4,000 USD. So he has earned pretty well from CryptoTab, and many of my YouTube subscribers have also earned money. You can see here some active miners, they are mining. So it's one of those automatic income apps similar like Honeygain. So you simply activate it, whether you are using your smartphone or your computer, you can activate it and start earning a little bit of money. And a great thing about this is that you will earning Bitcoin, and then you can cash out those Bitcoin into US dollar or euro. And as you have seen, the value of Bitcoin has gone up and up and up during the last 12 years. So chances are that you will be earning even more money. For example, we just cashed out a couple of dollars, like $6, but the chances of that going up is of course pretty high because Bitcoin has been going up in value all the time. And of course, if you want to see more legitimate websites that pay Bitcoin for 100% free, check out my other video where I show you other ones that my subscribers and I have been using to earn Bitcoin for free. But now let's go into those tricks that you can use to earn more money. Of course, I also showed you in my previous video 4 ways to earn more money for free, but in this video I will show you even more. First step to start earning money with CryptoTab, of course, is click here download. So whether you are using a smartphone or in my case I'm using an Apple computer, so I would simply click here download and then start using it. Second trick is that you start using multiple devices. So let me show you just on a Google many smartphones. Many people are using like multiple smartphones to make money. You can see you can use as many as you want. Like if I remember right, there were some people who were using 10 smartphones to earn money at the same time on CryptoTab. So that will of course increase your earnings because you will have more power to earn. If you are wondering how much money you can earn, of course this is not one of those apps that would make you rich. This is usually it's just some pocket money, not some like millions of dollars or something like that. This is not something like that. This is like a pocket money, pretty easy because it will be running on the background. This Filipino person, for example, he was using multiple devices, as he explained in this video. He explained he started 2 months ago, and then he started using many devices, and he explains the whole story here. So that's pretty interesting also, that the more devices you add, the more you can earn. You can see the processing here because you can decide where your CPU, so computing power, goes, and here he explains all the details. So I also recommend watching his video if you want to increase your earning. Then they also provide this cloud boost. With this one you can earn 10 times faster, and at the moment when I'm recording this video they also have this discount, so be sure to check this out every now and then, because if you buy this boost it will give you 10 times faster earnings. This is especially recommended if you use CryptoTab with multiple devices. If you are using just one device, then it may not be so good, but you can see you can get this CloudTab Boost feature up to 3 devices with a 60% discount. So this is crazy, and this will give you 10 times faster earnings. I also explained this a little bit in my previous video, but here are a couple of important facts. It multiplies your speed mining, then it's server dependent mining, no battery drain, so that's also good for your smartphone or your computer, and you can earn unlimited funds. There is not limits how you can earn. The minimum is like very small, like 10 cents or something like that. unlimited number of connected remote devices. You can have even 10 devices or 5 devices, no matter what. And this is of course the discount at the moment. It's just for 3 devices, but you can connect as many devices as you want. And you can also have multiple users. This is 100% secure also for public Wi-Fi, and you can earn balance every 10 minutes, even though you're doing it on autopilot. You simply put the smartphones there or your laptops there, it will be earning money every single 10 minutes. It will give you, and also quick access to the account, storing and withdrawing cryptocurrency. As you saw in the beginning of this video, we simply clicked, maybe it was 3 buttons, and then it already came into account. And if you want to earn more free Bitcoin, I highly recommend you check out this video, 7 legitimate websites to earn Bitcoin for free. One of them is of course Honeygain, where we currently have $117. I could immediately request a payout here, and as you have seen in my previous videos, I have also cashed out hundreds of dollars from Honeygain. But another option is also Honey Miner. You can check out that one. I will be creating another video where I walk you through step by step how to use it. It's quite similar like CryptoTab, where you will be earning passive income. It's similar like Honey Miner, even though these two companies, they are not connected. They are different companies, Honey Miner and Honeygain. Here they say some estimations, so how much you can earn. For example, they give this long-term perspective, because many people, they use this just for 1 month. But what if you would use this for 5 years? This might be give $4,000 extra earnings. So, or if we move this a little bit, even 10,000 extra earnings if you use this in the long term. So I will also leave you link in the description for Honey Miner. And what you can do is that you can try both. You can first try CryptoTab, and then you can use Honey Miner. Or if you have 2 devices, for example your smartphone and your laptop, you connect your laptop with Honey Miner and your smartphone with CryptoTab. Then you track your earnings. You see which one is giving you more passive income on autopilot, and then you can decide which one you will continue using more, which one you will be giving more focus. Or you can of course put a third device on Honeygain, and then you have those 3 devices. You can be comparing which one gives you the most. The other websites that give a free Bitcoin is, for example, Bucks. And let me show you here on my Coinbase account. You can see that I have received Bitcoin. This was from Bucks, and here we have, this was from Honeygain. And then there's also this website called Idle Empire. At the moment we could also cash out more money from that website. You can see we have so many points, so we could come here to the withdraw section, and we could come to Coinbase, and we could withdraw around 20, it's like worth $23, so we could withdraw it immediately. And I also created a step-by-step tutorial where I show you how to use that one. It's Idle Empire Payment Proof. You will find it there. I cash out money from that website. Be sure to check out also this previous CryptoTab Payment Proof and 4 ways to earn more money, because I explained there about the CryptoTab affiliate program, and as you can see, people are absolutely loving it. More than 80 people smashed up the like, and only 2 people misclicked the dislike. Also, of course, if you enjoy, remember to smash the like and go watch that video, because these strategies that I show here, I have also used this to boost earnings with CryptoTab. So these are proven to work. In that video I go through some tricks that I didn't tell you in this video, because in this video we go through, you add multiple devices, then you add this CryptoTab boost that gives you a 10x boost for your earnings. But in this video I go through even more. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments. I do everything that I humanly can to help you increase your earning with CryptoTab and other applications as well. Thank you very much for watching, and me, my friend, we will see you on the next video on how to make honest money online. Have a wonderful day, my friend.